Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing Delta Airlines A321NEO Comfort Plus. Today's flight goes from JFK to Las Vegas in Comfort Plus. We left for the airport pretty early just in case of any TSA delays. The lines of security weren't that bad and we got through in about 10 to 15 minutes. Here we are at Terminal 4 at JFK, where Delta operates most of their flights. Delta Comfort Plus on domestic flights does not offer priority security at airports, unlike other airlines like JetBlue. In Terminal 4, all gates are located downstairs, and Delta operates out of the B gates. Today, our gate was on the far side of Terminal 4, located at gate B32. Here's today's aircraft, a Delta Airlines A321NEO that is 10 months old, registered as November 5 Niner 1 Delta Tango. Comfort Plus passengers board in boarding group 3, considered Sky Priority. Even though we boarded early, passengers were still backed up in the jet bridge. Once we stepped on board, a cabin crew member handed out Delta trading cards. This is Delta's all-new domestic first class featuring hard shell seats. Delta Airlines A321NEO features 10 rows of Comfort Plus, with about 32 to 34 inches of legroom. Today I was seated in seat 15A. This is Delta Airlines Comfort Plus seat on the Airbus A321NEO. Delta uses the Collins Aerospace Meridian Slimline seat. The legroom for me was pretty good, as I'm 5 feet tall. For example, my mom is 5'4", and she had about 3 inches of legroom. Delta's A321NEO seats have about 3 seatback pockets. Seatback pockets feature a safety card, as well as a puking bag, and an in-flight menu. After takeoff from JFK. About 20 minutes after takeoff, the cabin crew came around with snacks. Comfort Plus features a different snack variety as of normal economy. They soon after also came around with a drink cart, which I opted for a Sprite. Now we're going to review the bathroom. Delta's A321NEO bathrooms are quite small. They were also a little dirty towards the floor. At this point, we were about 2 hours into the flight. Delta Airlines IFE had a lot of features, including a flight tracker, all the aircrafts in Delta's fleet, live TV, food and drink, and the airports that they fly to. I do have to say that Delta did not have a great selection of TVs, and I was pretty bored on the flight. Delta offers free Wi-Fi on most of their flights if you're a SkyMiles member. The Wi-Fi was pretty fast. It stopped working towards the end of the flight. Able to do many things on the Wi-Fi, including playing Block Blast, watch YouTube, and listen to music on Spotify. Today's flight time was about 5 hours and 20 minutes. We soon started our descent into Las Vegas. Here we are landing at Las Vegas International Airport. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for a new review next week on JetBlue's Even More Space seats.